In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video into your Weebly website. This process is straightforward, and by the end you'll have your video live and ready to view on your site. First, start by heading over to Weebly's homepage. You'll want to ensure you're at the right place, so type in the URL and get yourself to the Weebly site. If you haven't logged in yet, this is the perfect time to do so. Click the login link and enter your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the dashboard area. From here, look for the overview section, which is where the journey of embedding your video truly begins. After clicking on overview, navigate to edit site. This will take you into the editor where all the magic happens. Don't worry if this seems overwhelming at first, I'll guide you through each step. Inside the editor, locate the build tab. Clicking on this will reveal all the elements you can use to customize your site. Make sure to select show all elements. This feature allows you to see every possible building block available for your web page, including the YouTube block we will use. Now for the creative part, find the YouTube block among the elements. Click and drag this block to the desired position on your web page. This could be anywhere your heart desires, perhaps a central spot where visitors can easily see it, or maybe to the side for a subtle touch. Once you've placed the block, click on it to make further adjustments. The next step involves pasting the URL of the YouTube video you want to embed. To do this, go to your YouTube page, copy the URL of the video, and paste it into the URL field of the YouTube block on Weebly. You'll notice the video preview appear right away, giving you a clear indication that the embedding was successful. Once the video appears, feel free to exit from the element. Now, the video is part of your web page, but you might want to make some final tweaks to the positioning or size. Just click on the video to open options for size adjustments. Navigate to the advanced settings if you wish to see more detailed options. In the advanced settings, there's an option to change the size of your embedded video. Choose auto to allow Weebly to adjust the video's fit based on your website's layout, or select a specific size if you have particular dimensions in mind. Once content with your adjustments, click on selected size and then simply exit the settings. Finally, to make all your hard work go live, click on publish. Your site will update and your video will be viewable for everyone visiting your page. And just like that, you've embedded a YouTube video into